Guys, today let's talk about the two big shots in the data analysis world, Python and R. Both are extremely popular, but have distinct characteristics, strengths, and use cases. After this, you'll know which to learn first. Unveiling the core differences. Python, an all-rounder, started as a general-purpose language. Its extensibility made it a data analysis powerhouse. R, however, is a statistical whiz, designed specifically for statistical computing and visualization. Python's syntax is simple and readable, great for those with programming experience. R's syntax, rich in statistical elements like the tilde symbol, is intuitive for statisticians new to coding. For data processing, Python's pandas excels at handling big data, GB+, while R's Delplir and Tidyr, though elegant, are slower with massive datasets. In visualization, Matplotlib and Seaborn in Python are powerful but require more coding. R's Matplotlib shines with concise syntax and publication, ready default plots. In machine learning, Python's ecosystem with scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch covers diverse scenarios. R's Caret and MLR3 meet basic needs, but Python's ecosystem is more extensive. Regarding speed, Python is faster generally, except for specific statistical tasks like linear models, where R's optimized functions perform better. Python has a large diverse developer community and integrates easily into production systems. R's community is focused on statistics and biomedicine, mainly used for research prototyping and needing extra tools for production deployment. 2. How should beginners choose? For broad career goals in development, automation, or AI, Python is ideal. Handling big data? Python plus Dask is efficient. In industry teams, Python's popularity eases collaboration. It's also great for covering data analysis to web development. If you're into academic research or statistics, R is a better fit. Its Crane library updates quickly for the latest methods. Gplot2 is perfect for frequent graphing. RStudio's menu helps non-programmers, and R dominates fields like bioinformatics and psychology. 3. Why choose? I want both. You can learn Python first and use RP2 to call R code. In practice, Python for data cleaning and MLR for stats and visualization. But remember, mastering EDA, hypothesis testing, and other core concepts matters most. 4. Recommended learning resources. For Python, master pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Read Python for data analysis and take DataCamp's Introduction to Python Data Analysis. For R, focus on Delplir, Gplot2, and Tidyr. Check out R for Data Science and Johns Hopkins Data Science Specialization on Coursera. In short, pick Python for career flexibility, R for stats-centric work. Languages are tools. Logical thinking and business understanding are key. Master one, then the other, and become a data analysis pro.